Hello everyone, I'm Drew, and this is my 6 pitches video based off the book by Daniel Pink, To Sell is Human. The one-word pitch is a single word that reflects yourself. When someone thinks of this word, they think of you, and vice versa. The word I chose is driven. I chose this word because I'm very self-motivated and always strive for success. The question pitch. The question pitch can be very effective. By forcing a listener to come up with their own answer, they believe more strongly in that answer and are more likely to take action. Do you want to hit a home run? With this question, I am trying to equate hiring me to hitting a home run. The rhyming pitch. Rhyming can be a great tool. Rhyming increases processing fluency and helps people remember what you said. Your company grew because of Drew. With this pitch, the 2 words I want people to remember are grew and drew, because I want them to equate one with the other. The subject line pitch. In today's world, the subject line of an email is a pitch. The 2 best ways to catch someone's attention is either utility or curiosity. My subject line pitch is a great opportunity. With this, I'm trying to pique someone's interest by opening the email and seeing what the great opportunity is. The Twitter pitch. The Twitter pitch is a tweet about oneself in less than 140 characters. It is quick and to the point. My Twitter pitch is #driven, #ready, #effective, and #wanted. The Pixar pitch. The Pixar pitch uses the storytelling template that Pixar Animations uses in its movies. Once upon a time, there was a boy who loved sports. One day, he realized his dreams of playing professional sports was not going to happen. Because of that, he got very sad, but he decided that even if he could not play professional sports, he was still going to find a way to do what he loved. Because of that, he worked very, very hard and pushed himself to be the best. Until finally, he was rewarded with a job, doing what he loved, sports.